See means to look. See is water, like the ocean.
Welcome back to Ikramullah Education Hub. So today we will learn about homophones. What is homophones? Homophones is the combination of two Greek words, homo, which means same, while phones is a Greek word which means sound. So homophones are those words which have same pronunciation but different meaning and spelling. Then such words in English are called homophones. Now we will have practice of homophones with example with their English meaning. Every day you will get homophones and other vocabularies and daily sentences podcast on the same channel. Here means this place, while here means to listen. See means to look, while sea is a water place like the ocean. Flower is a plant, while floor is used. Right means correct, while other right means to put words on paper. One is a number, while on means you win. Sun is in the sky, while sun is a child. Two is a number, while two means also, while the other two shows direction towards something or towards someone. Pear means two, while the other pear is a fruit. Blue is a color, while blue means wind moved. Wear means to put on. Wear asks place. Hor is a time, while hor means belonging to us. Break stops a car, while break means to damage something. Plane flies in the sky, while the other plane means simple land. Night is a warrior. Night is dark time. Rain comes from the sky, while the other rain controls. Sale means discount, while the other sale is on a, or we can say boat. Whole means complete, while the other whole is an empty space. Male is letters, while the other male is a gender. Peace means calm, while the other peace is a part. Weak means not strong, while the other weak is called 7 days. Road is a pathway to travel something, while the other road is the path of ride. It means that road is the second and third form of ride, while ride is the first form of the verb. It means that ride is an irregular verb. Road is the second and third